Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how the Puma affiliate program works in 2026 and how you can actually make money from it step by step in a practical way. First, let's understand the concept. The Puma affiliate program allows you to earn commissions by promoting Puma products online. You don't need to own any product yourself. Instead, you share special affiliate links, and whenever someone buys through your link, you earn a percentage of the sale. Now, to get started, you need to join an affiliate network that partners with Puma. In most regions, Puma works with platforms like Impact or other affiliate marketplaces. So your first step is to go to the official affiliate network website and create an account. You'll need basic details like your name, email, website or social media profile, and how you plan to promote products. Once your account is approved, search for Puma inside the affiliate marketplace. When you find it, apply to join the program. Some approvals are instant, while others may take a few days, depending on your profile quality and traffic sources. After approval, you will get access to your affiliate dashboard. This is where you generate your unique tracking links. These links are very important because they track every click and sale coming from you. Now comes the main part, promotion. You can promote Puma products in many ways. If you have a YouTube channel, you can create review videos, outfit ideas, or top sneakers lists. If you use Instagram or TikTok, you can post short fashion clips, styling videos, or product showcases. If you have a blog, you can write articles like best running shoes or sportswear guides. The key is to focus on valuable content, not just direct selling. People are more likely to click when they trust your recommendation. Next, always place your affiliate links in the right spots. On YouTube, put them in the description. On blogs, add them naturally inside the article. On social media, use link in bio tools if needed. Now, let's talk about earnings. Your commission rate depends on the program terms, but typically you earn a percentage of each sale. The more traffic and conversions you generate, the higher your income becomes. Some affiliates earn small side income, while others turn it into a full-time business. To grow faster, focus on SEO if you're using blogs, or YouTube search optimization if you're making videos. Target keywords like best Puma shoes, Puma sneaker review, or affordable sportswear. Also, consistency is very important. 1 or 2 posts won't bring results. You need regular content and testing different styles to see what your audience responds to. Finally, always track your performance inside the affiliate dashboard. Check which links are getting clicks and which content is converting best. Then improve based on data. So, in 2026, the Puma affiliate program is still a strong way to earn online if you stay consistent, create useful content, and promote smartly. Subscribe the channel for more videos.